sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. Does this look familiar? Yes, it's where we started the last video where my flight was cancelled. So we're going to do it all again. So it's now 4 AM and we're going to leave for the airport in a minute and hopefully fly to my ship. Hey guys, my flight is delayed. Got through like security, everything has gone fine, had a nice breakfast, and then I have just come to my gate, which is the same gate that I was at the other day because obviously it's the same flight. Supposed to be taking off at 9:40. We're now taking off at 10:40. As long as we take off, I don't mind, but I'm just getting a little panicky that it's going to happen again. And it's annoying because I am fully aware that me panicking is not going to do anything. I have no control over this situation, so I may as well relax, but that's easier said than done. I mean, I guess it's a good thing that my flight isn't the only one that's delayed. They've just reeled off about 10 flights that are delayed, so I'm hoping that the only reason my flight is delayed because it's like a chain reaction because of all the others. But yeah, I am stressed. Okay, so it has just turned 10:10 and they have just started boarding. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I've never been this anxious before. I'm trying to do like deep breaths and calm myself down, but still not working. And logically, I know that the chances of this flight being cancelled again is so slim. But nevertheless, it is nerve-wracking as hell. But yeah, I'm going to start queuing up now. Get on board, and hopefully when I'm on board I will stop panicking, but honestly I think I'll stop panicking when we're in the air. It's just that I'm not an anxious person, and I really feel for people with anxiety, because if this is how you feel all the time, like I honestly don't know how you go through life. Like, this is horrendous. I feel so on edge. But as I said, hopefully it's going to be fine. But now there's just an absolute frenzy at the gate. I'll show you. Look at all of those people trying to board. So maybe I'll give it a minute because we're not going anywhere fast. Oh God, guys. Any tips on how to relax during a flight? Please let me know in the comments because I need it.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're...
Alright, so it has just turned 5 o'clock and I've just gone through passport control in Miami, and now I'm gonna go and get my bags. And it was very nice because while I was in the queue waiting to get my passport checked, I ended up talking to a girl, and it turns out she's also joining Scarlet to work in the shops with Harding tomorrow. So really weird. So I've just had a nice chat with her, and I think we might go and get some dinner later. Okay, baggage claim. Palm trees.
So where do you live in London?
I have made it to my room. Look how nice this is. It's huge. I've got 2 double beds for just me. I've got a nice little table. Oh my God. Bathroom. Oh, nice bath. Oh, this is great. And out the front door, I have a wonderful view of McDonald's. Yes. So me and Sophie have just come out. We are going to look for some food, and because I just said, I was like, as soon as I take my shoes off and get comfortable, I am not going to get back up, so we need to get some dinner before I do that.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide.
So it is now 10 o'clock Miami time, which means it's 3 AM in the UK. I've just got out the bath. I am absolutely knackered, so I'm just going to have to give you a recap tomorrow because I really don't have it in me to do it now. Night, guys. Good morning, guys. It is 6 AM Miami time, baby. So I got in last night, had a wonderful bath, and I think as soon as my head touched the pillow, I was dead to the world. I was so tired, and like I said, it is 6 o'clock here in Miami, but that means it is 11 o'clock in the UK, so I am wide awake, but that's fine. We've got a few hours to get ready. So the plan is, because I met Sophie in the passport control, which was really cute, and then the plan is that we're going to meet down at reception at 8 AM and have some breakfast, and then come back upstairs, get all our bags, and then we're going to get a taxi to the port at 9, and hopefully get to the port about 9:30, 9:30ish. So, but we'll see. But yeah, it's great. I'm so excited. I'm getting excited now. I finally feel like I can get excited, because all of yesterday I wasn't really feeling it, because I was like, something can still go wrong. And even when we were in the air, I was like, what if my bags aren't in the air with me? But no, all the bags are here. I am here. Everyone's healthy. We're in Miami. The ship is coming into port today. It's all going to be fine. So I'm going to get ready. I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on and straighten my hair so I don't look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards to join my cruise ship. And then repack, because I was looking for stuff last night, like body wash and everything, so everything is all over the floor. So I'm going to repack, and then I'll go down and meet Sophie for breakfast, and then we'll go and join the Scarlet Lady. Woohoo!
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring.
This is my first time in the Virgin Terminal. Ah, it's so cool. Ooh, thank you. I'm so excited. I'm given the safety instructions to familiarise myself. We're going on board now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I am on board, guys. I'm so sorry I didn't film any of the getting on board process because it was just hectic. So we got on the gangway, we scanned our cards on, and we went straight to the medical centre to basically have our medical documents checked and have a PCR test, and that all came back clear. And now I have come to my cabin, but I have training, I'll need to eat, I need to go and get my luggage so I can unpack in my new cabin. And also, this is crazy, so I will tell you a little story. In 2020, when I first ever came to the Scarlet Lady with Virgin, we were docked in Italy for a few weeks because, of course, we were setting the Scarlet Lady up before we came over to America. And because these cabins are really small, me and my friend were like, we need some extra storage. So we went out to this little shop and we bought some plastic drawers. Now, when we all got sent home for COVID, I filled these drawers full of stuff and I put them in the shop's locker when I went home, because I was like, I don't care how long this pandemic lasts, I'm gonna come back eventually. And I did. I came back in 2021, got the drawers out of the locker and used them for my whole contract. When I finished my contract at the end of 2021, I gave these drawers to my friend to use, and then she gave them to someone else when she finished her contract, and these drawers have just been passed from crew member to crew member to crew member. And I've just come in this cabin, this random ass cabin, and guess what I found? The drawers! The drawers that I bought in 2020. Lucy Southerton Retail. Oh my god. I'm just like, what are the chances of those, of all the crew members that could have had those drawers, of all the cabins they could have been in, they're in my cabin. So I don't know if someone was responsible for that. If they are, then I need to thank them, because that is a whole load of extra storage that I did not think I was going to have. But yeah, very, very happy about that. I have stuff to do now. I've got to go to training. So I'm going to end the vlog here because I am officially on board the cruise ship, which is wonderful, because after all of the drama, you know what was funny? I was looking back at my videos, and just before the I'm on board video for Valiant, I failed my PCR test, and then just before the onboard video for Scarlet, my flight was cancelled. So after the whole drama, I am very, very, very happy to say I am on board. But anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I know it's just a lot of travelling and, you know, all of that, but nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed it. But I think I'm going to carry on the next video from this point, and I'll just vlog the rest of my first day on board and unpacking and everything. But yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.